Today we have a Smart Samsung Galaxy Fit3. Let's talk about features. Smart Samsung Galaxy Fit3 have large AMOLED display with 2.5D curved glass and aluminum body. Up to 13-day battery backup. Comprehensive health and fitness tracking powered by Samsung Health app. Advanced sleep coaching, SPO2, HR and stress monitoring. 5 ATM and IP68 dust and water resistant. Let's talk about specification. This product have screen size 4 cm. Display type AMOLED. Features: IP rating IP68. Water resistance depth 50 meters. Special features: always on display, custom activity tracking, fall detection. Supported application: Find My Phone, fitness tracker, camera, heart rate monitor, sleep monitor. Sport type: running, cycling, multi-sports. Water resistance level: water resistant. Input type: touchscreen, buttons. Material: aluminum. Connectivity technology: Bluetooth. About this brand: band material type fluoroelastomer. Clasp type: hook buckle. Battery cell composition: lithium polymer. Battery power 208 mAh. Compatibility: compatible phone models, Android devices. Compatible devices: smartphone, tablet. OS and processor. Memory 256 MB. Other details: style modern. Color gray. Item shape rectangular. Suitable for boys, girls, unisex youth. Age range youth. Model number SMR390N. Warranty 1 year domestic warranty. Let's talk about price. This product start with 4,999 only. Next video coming soon. Stay connected. Thank you. Subscribe our channel and share. Product define belt. Thank you.